We got this cool camera from Camorama. Let's see what we can do.
360 degree 4K Ultra HD. You can view all your videos in 360 using VR goggles.
With this head mount, you can see what I can see.
Let's take it up in a helicopter. You can also do live broadcasting like Periscope.
There's a goat in the tree.
But in 360 degrees. "90-minute record time, that's longer than any other consumer 360 degree camera.
Let's go surfing.
How about skydiving? You can also share it directly to all the social media apps.
Well, what we got here is called a tortoise.
My name is Ricky. What's up, Bob? Ricky.
What's up? What's up?
Hope you guys have a good day.
You can also do 360-degree time lapse, and I'm using the app to adjust it.
360 selfie.
We're communicating.
It's delicious. It's really good.
Camorama!
So that was the 4K live streaming 360 panorama video camera from Camorama. We had a really good couple days running around Hawaii shooting with it. Got a lot of good 360 videos, 360 photos, made a lot of cool friends. And this 360 video, this is the future. You know, it's fun to be a part of it. So if you're interested in this technology, jump on board. It is literally the future of video. And I want to thank Camorama, appreciate the camera, and aloha from Hawaii.
Knowing that every day is precious and every moment eternal, YoCam is the solution for every moment of your life. You can keep watch over the family with YoCam's monitoring function in real time, even from thousands of miles away. Or you can carry YoCam with you to document every memory, every instant. YoCam weighs only 2 ounces without sacrificing functionality. It's lightweight and amazing. Our multi-use accessories will make YoCam an integral part of your life. Document your best moments and share them instantly. Take wide-angle selfies to the extreme with no limits. Use YoCam as a dash cam to record every ride clearly. Capture your precious moments 24/7. With YoCam, you'll never miss another outdoor adventure. YoCam is waterproof and dustproof, guaranteed with IP68 ratings. You can shoot up to 20 feet underwater. YoCam is designed to thrive in harsh environments and accompany you to new horizons. So be bold, have fun, and capture the most epic moments. With excellent stabilization and HDR technology, YoCam shoots incredible footage and takes breathtaking photos, anywhere, anytime. Switch between functions with just one click on YoYo, the Bluetooth remote control. YoCam is devoted to making life easy for everyone. With the dedicated Mofily app, you can effortlessly generate your own storybook. Hold every moment in your hand. Managing and sharing these moments has never been easier. Light, yet powerful, YoCam will exceed all your expectations. YoCam, now you can have it both ways.